After over 4 entire years of owning this here truck, we finally have our hide inside bed, as you can see over there, installed. So it is now time to get the tailgate working so that I can actually lower it up and down myself. Now, despite us having the hide inside bed, everywhere that we're going to be attaching this 4th gen soft drop tailgate assist is all going to be factory bed locations. So the procedures you see here are going to be the exact same for your factory bed. The kit that we are going to be retrofitting onto our 2nd gen Dodge Ram here is going to be the DZ43301. It is for 09 to 18 Ram 1500s or 2010 to 2019 Ram 2500s, which is why once you open up your box here, we're basically going to take this whole bag of brackets and screws and instructions. We're just going to set that over there. We don't need that. We're also going to take this little nutsert tool thing, which is nifty that they include it if you don't have the nutsert tool already. And we're going to set that aside because we already have a nutsert tool and kit, which is where we got this. And this here nutsert fits perfectly onto the 2 provided ball studs that we were given. We're going to take these, and essentially one of them will go up here, one of them will go down here, and that is where our shock is going to attach, like so. So that's hot, just sitting out in the sun already. And then they do provide you with this Allen wrench shaped star bit, and that is going to fit, as you'll see, the, well, I guess not, someone's changed our hardware, but some of your brackets on your tailgate will use this to pull your factory thing off here so that you can put your lower ball stud in. But that's all we're going to use: the tool, the shock, and the 2 ball studs. Otherwise the rest of the kit goes away. The install video I watched like years ago, whenever I first bought this. Look at that tree. It looks fake back there. It's weird. Either way, years ago when I watched this video, he gives like exact measurements on where to find the 2 holes, like where to drill them on the tailgate and on the bed. But there's also like landmarks on the bed and the tailgate. So you can like generally watch the video and then be like, the hole is there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to guess. Because there is some room for error. I don't think it has to be exactly perfect. And we're going to do it that way. Luckily, I thought to open the bedside here because we were running right into the inner taillight housing. But there's enough material that I can remove there that's not needed. We can continue over here, and we should be fine. Midway through drilling the hole for our top ball stud here, it occurred to me that because our bed has the fiberglass on it, even where the ball stud is, that part's metal. But with all this extra fiberglass here, everywhere that the rivet would crush and then like wrap around the lip of the metal, it can't do that because it's all fiberglass. So we just have a nut on the back here. Now the fiberglass, again, since it's thicker, makes the thread shorter, but a tall person, little brother over there, has cranked this thing down as tight as he can get it. So it's a bit down into the fiberglass a little bit, and I think we're going to be good. Now the question is whether or not it will clear when we shut this. Oh, like it did. That is latched. For your shock install, it's just going to pop onto the ball there. Oh, is that secure? That seems really easy. That's on there. And now, with it extended, come around here. Now, bring it in. The video shows to have it right about there. Alright, and here we have one of 2 tailgate assists installed. So, let's give her a shot. Is that not the coolest shit ever? Now, it is still kind of hard to get back up. But the next tailgate assist you'll see will help with that. I can still get it though. Our upper mount there is holding up nicely so far. We've dropped the tailgate under the full power of the shock 15-20 times now. And our bottom rivet, that sucker is definitely secure, not going anywhere. The next tailgate assist to come, which I'll probably just hold out on this video until it gets here, it's going to be a U-shaped metal bar. Part of it will attach in here, run down and over, and then the other end of it will go up into the tailgate. That way, when the tailgate goes down, it deforms the bar. And so then when it comes up, that bar is going to want to lift the tailgate and return back to its shape. So this one that's on here helps lower it down nicely. And then the next one will help me lift it up easy. And then I'll be set. Tailgate assist number 2. It goes in the end of the bed right there. It's going to come over. It'll sit a little bit lower, you won't see it. And then that end is going to go up in the hole he is drilling right there. That way, when the tailgate comes down, this side will bend and work against it. And then when I want to lift it back up, it will help lift it up so it can regain its shape. Still completely hidden, we have both tailgate assist installs. Or tailgate assist installed. There we have the torsion bar, I'll call it. It goes from there to there. And then we also put the shock that you saw earlier back in there. Now it's like it weighs nothing. Well, not quite. There we go. And now I'm set. Now we just have to get the bed cover on. And as you'll see here, when you get moved closer, we put a little retaining bracket so that the bar never drops out of the bottom of the tailgate when I hit bumps. And as you can see by our view all the way down here, that is working its magic up in there. The final thing we're going to take care of in this video so we can get it to be one whole working unit, so I can decide if I'm going to commit and shave the fuel door off or not, is getting the bed cover mounted. We already took the bed cover over there. We drilled 4 holes in it and we put it up here, and then we attempted to mark holes along our bed rail where it was going to sit, but it's kind of tricky because it doesn't want to sit, you know, nicely. It kind of just does whatever it wants. And what it decided to do was move so that the rear holes do not line up at all. So I have already gone back and filled those over and scrapped all that footage basically, because there's no need for you to sit there and watch it. And now I am waiting for at least 2 tall people to help assist in lifting it back up there so we can bolt the front holes down. That way it can't move this time. And then we will more accurately mark the rear holes, redo those. Then we will get to filling the fuel door and getting that nice and wrapped up. It's fine, you can just stay there. But that's going to be several days at least. So I'm going to go ahead and drop this video for all of you new followers that have joined us. And if you've made it all the way to the end of this video, I appreciate you. Don't forget to drop a like, comment what you thought about this video, what you think could be done for future videos. And I will get to work on that bed cover again, and see you in the next one.